Alright guys, there's another episode of the S10 build. We've got a few exhaust manifold bolts that are broke off in the head here. We're going to attempt an easy outset to extract the bolts. For those of y'all that are not familiar, it's left-handed drill bits. They turn the opposite way, hoping that it will grab on the bolt, pull itself out. If that don't work, you're still drilling the same way, but you have these bits here that will go into the bolt. You put those in and pray that they will come out. Alright guys, now I'm going to attempt to extract this one first. You always want to make sure that you put something in your exhaust ports so that no metal shavings or anything get in there. We'll also make sure that we have us a magnet around that we're able to get the pieces of metal out or shavings we have. Like I said, this is only hopes and prayers that this works and we ain't got to get the welder out. I like to chuck them up pretty close so I don't accidentally snap them off, but we're going in the opposite direction. I know that's taboo to regular, but the biggest thing you don't want to do is get into the threads of the head. Okay, so we'll take our magnet here and clean up some of our shavings that we made. You can see that's quite a bit. Alright guys, now what we want to do, we want to make sure we get our right easy out bit here. Looks like we're using a number 3. So what that does is, that goes in here, like this. I like to give it a little love tap to make sure it seats good and grabs. There's a few different ways you can do this. If it works, I like using a T-handle. Those are nice. You can also use crescent wrench, whatever you can get that'll grab on. So now we're going to try to extract here. Okay, looks like it's a successful extraction. See if we can see that better. As you can see, that easy out bit has grabbed well, and we have gotten lucky once again. There it is. She's out. One more to go.